You guys want to play, but we have to make maple glazed carrots. Today we're going to make Luca. Okay, we're going to make maple glazed carrots because they're an amazing holiday side dish and they're super healthy, nutritious. Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe. Hi, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make maple glazed carrots. They're a fantastic side dish. Carrots are loaded with nutrition, beta carotene, vitamin A, antioxidants, vitamin C. They're amazing, and these ones are going to taste so good you will not be able to get enough. So what you need is simple. 2 pounds of washed and scrubbed carrots, which we have right here. I like to use butter or vegan butter for the glaze, along with 1/3 cup of maple syrup and 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar and a little bit of salt and pepper. They're so fast and easy to make. You're gonna love this. They're a great side dish for the holidays, so you need to pay attention. So I'm just gonna rinse the carrots, then we're gonna set up the maple glaze, and then we're gonna throw them in the oven. Just wanna get all the dirt off. My first step is I'm just going to remove the tops of the carrots. I'm sad to see them go, but they've got to come off, okay? So I'm not peeling my carrots. I'm going to keep them just the way they are. We've washed them really good. I'm going to wash them probably one more time before I put them in the oven. Number one, more nutrition if you don't peel them. Number two, so much faster. If I sat here and peeled all these carrots, oh my goodness, it would take a long time. So it's also a time saver. The other thing is when I buy the carrots, I'm buying skinny, long carrots so that I know they're going to roast really well instead of big, thick, heavy carrots. That's going to be too hard for them to roast. It's going to take a long time. Now, if you do want to do a simpler where you can buy them already peeled and they're already cut, and we could just toss those with the maple butter, and that's fine too. I just like this look, especially for the holidays or a dinner party or something. It just looks really elegant to have the long, beautiful carrots. We have prepared the carrots. They're washed, clean, ready to go. Now I need to preheat my oven to 400 degrees and then prepare the sauce. All right, we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Perfect. And now I can prepare the maple glaze. Let's just see. Oh, it's ready. You need to set up a saucepan on medium-high heat on your oven and first place the butter into the pan. You want your saucepan at like a medium-high heat. Then I recommend kind of bring it down a bit. Otherwise, you're going to get brown butter, which is also fine. But once the butter is melted, simply pour in the maple syrup. And next, we need to put the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Make sure your heat is at medium when you do that, and then just give it a little bit of a stir. Oh my goodness, look at this maple glaze for the carrots. Now you might be thinking, oh my goodness, that's a lot of butter, that's a lot of sugar, how can this be healthy? Realize we're putting this on 2 pounds, actually a little bit more than 2 pounds of carrots.
Let it bubble into a golden buttery glaze. Next, carefully pour this delicious maple glaze straight from the pan over your carrots and give them a nice toss so every piece glistens.
Last but not least, we want to sprinkle a little bit of gray sea salt on there. Little tiny bit of black pepper. And for me, I just can't do anything without a little bit of red chili flake. Just a tiny baby bit. We're putting them in at 400 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. They look amazing. I'm gonna get that timer going. I'll start with 30 minutes and just see how we do. I'm gonna check them every 10 minutes. That's really important. You wanna check them every 10 minutes. So the carrots are roasted. They look gorgeous. I am so excited. And remember, we didn't even peel them and they still look so beautiful. Not a problem at all. And do you see how there's a lot of extra glaze on the sides? You can either use that or just leave it in there. We definitely have the flavor we want for the carrots, so I'm gonna start plating them. They look amazing. Definitely going to impress your family and friends with these maple glazed carrots. And how simple were they? My goodness. We are all done with the maple glazed carrots. They look fantastic. They were so easy to make, healthy, delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Let me know what you think of them if you make them. Thanks for watching.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.